Hi there! My name is Tatiana. Today we will talk about the ShortPoint SPFx Upgrade and, most importantly, about the safety of this process. We constantly make our product better and would like to introduce new features and improvements to your organization. Starting with the 7.1.5 version, the ShortPoint upgrade process has been improved. There will be no need to update each site collection manually. You can automatically get the updates for your whole tenant whenever they are available. While all of this definitely sounds amazing, it might happen that you won't want to upgrade right away due to multiple security concerns. What sensitive information is accessed? What are the interactions between my site and the ShortPoint host site? Will I ever lose any contents that are now live? Is it safe? Spoiler alert, it is safe. At ShortPoint, we take safety very seriously. To address your possible concerns, let's take a deep dive into the ShortPoint SPFx Upgrade process to fully understand it and to take a closer look on the extra safety options that we have provisioned. During the upgrade, ShortPoint changes the version number for your tenant. As a result of this, ShortPoint files will be loaded from a new location under the ShortPoint Content Delivery Network, or CDN. Why is it safe? Nothing is copied to and from the tenant. We have made our CDN smart enough to handle it automatically and return the new version your tenant should be on. Besides accessing files from the CDN, there are no other interactions between the tenant and the ShortPoint host site. ShortPoint does not store any upgrade files in the customer's environment. It is left untouched. The auto upgrade is the default upgrade feature that brings the latest ShortPoint SPFx version to all your SharePoint sites upon every public release. However, there is a second option in place if you want to take control of the upgrade. We call it the Sandbox Mode. ShortPoint SPFx version will not be upgraded until you click a button to proceed with it. Sandbox Mode allows you to test the new version in a sandbox environment before you upgrade. To explain it in a simpler way, it is a playground for you to test the new version with no effect on your actual intranet. This way, you can make sure that all sites work perfectly with the new updates. While you are in the Sandbox Mode, for your colleagues, the site pages will look the same as before, so you will have enough time to test the sites without anyone noticing it. Then you can decide if you would like to proceed with the upgrade or just discard the Sandbox Mode. If for any reason you would like to revert the updates to the previous ShortPoint version you had, we have a quick and easy solution for you. It can be done with just one click on the Rollback button from the upgrade page. Today we talked about the SPFx upgrade. Now you can be sure about the safety of this process. Let's summarize what benefits you get while using ShortPoint upgrade. Scope. The upgrade is tenant-wide. All sites and subsites within your tenant will be upgraded at once. Efficiency. The upgrade does not require any action from the user if the auto upgrade is on, or just one button click if the auto upgrade is off. Speed. The upgrade is super fast. The whole process takes just a couple of seconds. And finally, let's address the main security concerns once again. No sites are going down during the upgrade. No page content is lost. You may always check it yourself using the Sandbox Mode before upgrading. Previously added page builder and theme builder customizations, custom CSS and custom JS are maintained. Launching the upgrade and accessing the Sandbox mode is protected from unauthorized access. Only site owners, site collection administrators who have full control permission level, can perform it. Thank you for watching and see you in the following videos.